This is a very nice question. How to realize the self? The first word, how. On this one can say that self can be realized and is to be realized, will be realized. But you cannot realize self. You cannot. You have become a human being from amoeba. How did you become? What did you do? You got it just as a blessing from God. In the same way, self-realization is also the blessing of God. It is spontaneous. It is a living thing. Anything living happens spontaneously by itself. Do you ever say, how am I to sprout a seed? It will sprout by itself. Why? Because all the mechanism, all the energy that is required for it to sprout is embedded in it. It's built in it. In the same way, all that is required to reach to yourself is embedded within you. It is waiting there for that moment when it has to happen. Once you start doing anything about it, efforts about it, you go wrong. As I have told you that there is a force which is sleeping, an energy which is called as Kundalini in the triangular bone. That is the Ankura, that's the primule. That rises, which connects you with the means, just like this one you can say. A cord that opens out and connects you with the means. But can it do it by itself? No. The one who has made this instrument has to do it. So it is God who is going to do that for you. Or somebody appointed by God can do it. So how doesn't come in? Now can you tell me, how does a seed sprout? How does a flower become a fruit? You don't even see when it happens. It is done in such a manner that you cannot even see with your naked eyes. Of course, if you have some sort of a camera which gives you delayed actions and things, then you might. But with your human eyes, you cannot even see that. And there are thousands and thousands of such things happening. Now, your self-realization is the most important thing and has to happen. The time has come. You are created for that, you have to have it. The blossom time has come and all of you have to become fruits. The time has come. It has to work out. Only thing what you have done through your effort, you have spoiled the flower. The other day only, I was reading about Raj Yoga that people are doing. I am not against Raj Yoga by any chance, but Raj Yoga is a happening within yourself. With the Kundalini awakening, you see, when the Kundalini is awakened, then all these happenings take place. All these closing up of certain bandhas and all that takes place. And the Kundalini rises. But it happens in such a short time, in such a split of a second you can say, that you cannot feel its rising. In Sahaja Yoga, in this modern Sahaja Yoga. Hatha Yoga is also the same. It's the way how you cleanse yourself gradually and then the Kundalini rises. Say, I have to come to Delhi. That means this is the yoga, the union. As long as I am away from Delhi, I am away from Delhi. Whether it is 1 mile, 2 miles or 300 miles. When I meet, that's the point. That's the yoga. And that happening is absolutely spontaneous. Whether you come by train or a bullock cart, it depends. Now ours is a jet style. All these things happen within yourself spontaneously. If you start doing it, if you do Hatha Yoga, you are gone. Some realized soul who is a guru, he knows what chakra you are catching. Of course, that's a very different style of thing. That's Ashtanga Yoga. You have to be in the jungle absolutely celibate, unmarried, before 25 years of age. You have to do all the Ashtangas, not only one for making yourself slim or something like that to be a cinema actor. It's the union with God. If you pay so much attention to your only body, physical being, then you are an imbalanced person. You are just spoiling the whole thing. Unless and until it is a realized soul, who is of a very high quality and who lives in the jungle, as your father, he works on you before you are exposed to this worldly life. While our so-called Hatha Yoga means only you create cinema actors out of them. Today only I had a Hatha Yogi, today in the morning, he's not come today. Poor fellow, he got a heart attack. It's inevitable. Every Hatha Yogi is going towards that. Because when you start using too much of your right side, then the left side, which is the spirit in the heart, feels unhappy. Why are you paying so much attention to your body, this material being? So it is so unhappy that you get the catch. So he was told other yogas to overcome his heart. So how do you get it is not the point, we just get it. The Kundalini rises. It does. I can show you. It will pulsate, you will see in the triangular bone. At the most what we can do, what is required to be realized? What sort of an instrument is required? For example, children get it so fast because they are so uncomplicated, so simple. They are not artificial. Secondly, the people who lead a simple dharmic life in the center, those who are married, have got children, leading a very simple life, satisfied people. They are the best. Villagers are the best. City dwellers are not so good. City dwellers are horrid. They give such a headache, they will give it to you also when you will be realized. Because you have so many complications in your heads. Moreover, they read such a lot that the reading goes into their head and they are nowhere. They are lost in the reading. Without seeing the reality, they have already got an idea about reality. So they dwell upon those ideas, not on the reality itself. So such people are difficult. But normally we have seen now, even in the city, horrid city like London, we have been able to do quite a lot of people. Now about 300 Sahajogis are first class there. But apart from that, thousands of them, I should say, have got it in different places. So, in such a country where, you see, materialism has come to its verge of collapse, it's easier to work out. Because now they know that there's nothing in materialism. It's much better to work out there. Here we are now supposed to be advancing and we are developing ourselves, getting into the same ditch into which they are. What I'm saying, we can short circuit. We can short circuit through Sahaja. So it happens, you will see for yourself, the Kundalini will rise, it will break through, and it will come out of the Sahasrara.